If you're like many of our clients, you may be considering a driving vacation this summer versus flying someplace due to coronavirus. This is Karl at Karl Chevrolet, and together with Jay Bradley, our service director, we put together a family summer vacation special for service, featuring a full oil change, lubrication, full vehicle safety inspection, a cabin air filter replacement, brake inspection, AC system check, a full service for your vehicle pre-vacation. $540, we'll do a full check over and service, including, we will include the Resistol purification treatment. So we'll purify the interior of your vehicle, removes 99.9% of bacteria and germs, and we'll replace your cabin air filter, which keeps the air in your vehicle fresh and clean from even dust, pollen, pollutants in the air. So when you're planning a vacation, think about a pre-vacation service visit to Karl Chevrolet, located at 261 Elm Street in New Canaan, or online at karlchevy.com.